Alright, so I'm going to try RetroBrighting these a bit, this Macintosh Plus. You can see here it's pretty yellowed. It's not horrible, but it's definitely noticeable that it's yellow. This back case isn't too bad, but definitely in the front here. So I got two containers to hold the back and the front. Couldn't find one to hold them both, so I'll just have to do two. I got this. I'm going to do the soaking method. So I got this stuff here, which has hydrogen peroxide in it. I hope that's the right... I'm like having a fart here, but yeah, pretty sure hydrogen peroxide in it. So I'm going to do a concentrate of that with warm water, get the heat going out here. It's nice and sunny, and do the heat and UV lights, and I'll let it soak out here for a while with that in there. So I'll fill this up, and I filled this with some bottles just to kind of displace some water so that it's not so diluted. So I'll flip that over and get going here. But yeah, let's fill it up with this stuff and with warm water and see how it goes. So it's been about 2 hours these have been out here in the sun, and they're looking pretty good. This back piece looks still a little bit yellow perhaps, but this front piece looks really good, which is where most of the yellowing actually was. Maybe it's hard to see on here, but from what I can see in the water, it looks really good. It looks back to normal, in fact. So I'm definitely going to take this one out. Now I don't think it's going to change anymore. It's looked like this for at least the past half hour. And then I think I might leave this one in a bit longer just because I think it could use more time. But I'll try them and see how they match up, because this one had a lesser of a concentrate too than this one did, because I put 2 bottles in each. So this one has a lot more water. But this one didn't have as much yellowing either, so we'll see. I'll just play with it, but it seems to be working great, and I'll show you guys the results in a second. So it's out now. This front piece looks really good, but it's too bright. No, it's not. It's back to normal, but the back piece hasn't changed enough. So what I did was I took the extra solution that was in that previous bucket, put it into here, so this is more diluted now, and I'll let this keep going for a while. And I got it on its side now too, so I'll kind of keep rotating it so different parts of it hit the top, get more sun and more UV perhaps, and we'll just kind of play around with it, because it's definitely more yellow than the front piece now, but we'll try to work on it. It's probably a good reason to put the whole thing in one solution if you can, but I think we'll be able to match it up pretty good. Okay, so the sun has basically gone down. We're all in shade here, so I'm about done. I'm done. This is it, and I'm pretty damn happy with the results. Came out great. Maybe a little discernible difference of coloration between the back piece and the front piece, but really not much. All the yellowing's really gone. You wouldn't even notice it. Maybe if you did it side by side, but the front looks great. That's the main thing. It's just, yeah, it's a little different, but I think it's pretty good for 30-something-year-old plastic. And yeah, that worked great. I think just doing the bigger bucket, it was less diluted, so it took longer, and I didn't use hot water for the whole thing, so maybe that made a difference too. But seems to work. Gives it a nice uniform finish everywhere. There is maybe like a little blotch right here, which I'm not sure what that's from, but it's not bad at all. Just overall it looks good. So yeah, I would recommend this method for a Mac. Gives it a nice even finish. You don't get any blotching or white spots or anything like that, really. I think it's about as good as you're gonna get for this kind of stuff. So yeah, recommend it. I would recommend doing hot water if you can, as high a concentration as you can of hydrogen peroxide, and having a making sure you have good sunlight or UV light, and maybe putting some saran wrap over the top of your bucket to kind of kind of like a greenhouse effect going in the sunlight, so the water gets even warmer. It seems like a combination of heat, UV, and the hydrogen peroxide is the ticket. I don't think it's any two. I think it's all three from this experiment here. So that's it. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and that's it. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.